Hello, I'm Pasha Savoran. I built the project manager that you are now going to use in your classroom. Let me just give you a quick introduction to it and how it works. The project manager has been studied by researchers at Georgia Southern University who have proven that it boosts student engagement by allowing students to take ownership of their own learning process in a flipped or hybrid classroom. Um, the students are going to use various sheets within this project manager. The class name sheet is where they're going to keep up with their own progress through the course of the semester by checking off boxes as they go. The progress sheet shows every student's progress through the class in real time, constantly updating as students check off their own progress. Students are also going to use it to collect feedback and to look for collaboration partners and to make goals, both course-wide and daily goals. I've made a series of tutorials for you, the teacher, that shows you how to set up the project manager to use in your own classroom. I try to make the tutorials as small as possible in chunks of 2 to 4 minutes each so you can go through at your own pace and work on them. There are two presentations. The first one helps you set up the class name sheet where you build a sheet that's got a list of all the tasks for one of your classes. The second presentation is how to set up the progress sheet. That one's a little bit easier. Between the two, you can just click through. The best way to do it, don't go into presentation mode to do this presentation. You want to be able to see all the slides along the side and just quickly go through and click on the slides you need. Or if you want to, you can use the previous and next buttons. You'll have to actually click on those buttons for them to work. Next slide and next slide. Or sometimes there's even links embedded directly in, or you can use these navigation links down here to click between the different lessons. And feel free to pause the video and practice. Don't just watch this, you want to actually do it along with me. So you might want to watch a little piece of the video, pause, and then do it yourself. You might need to rewind a little bit and watch a little bit of the video again. And I move pretty quickly because I know some people will get this stuff pretty quickly and are already familiar with Google Sheets and don't need a lot of help. But for those of you who don't get it in the first try, just rewind it and watch the same little segment again, and pretty soon you'll get it. Remember, you got unlimited undos, but don't worry. The tutorials are going to walk you through the whole process, and my email address is embedded on the bottom there, so if you really get stuck, send me an email and I'll see what I can do to help you out. Thanks, and good luck setting up a project manager to use in your class.